Meaning and scope of state under Article 12. Introduction. Article 12 of the Constitution of India defines the term state for the purpose of Part 3. Fundamental rights. The significance of this article is that fundamental rights are enforceable mainly against the state. Therefore, determining whether a body falls within the definition of state is important for the protection of citizens' rights. Definition under Article 12. Article 12 defines the term state for the purpose of fundamental rights. Part 3 of the Constitution. Article 12 provides that the term state includes the Government and Parliament of India, the Government and Legislature of each state, all local authorities, other authorities within the territory of India or under the control of the Government of India. The definition is inclusive and not exhaustive, which means courts can expand its scope through interpretation. Purpose of Article 12. The purpose of Article 12 is to identify the authorities against whom fundamental rights can be enforced. If a body is considered state, citizens can file a case for violation of fundamental rights under Article 32, Supreme Court, Article 226, High Court. Components of state. The components of state are Government and Parliament of India, Government and Legislature of states, local authorities and other authorities. 1. Government and Parliament of India. This includes all central executive and legislative authorities such as the President, Prime Minister, Council of Ministers, Lok Sabha, and Rajya Sabha. 2. Government and Legislature of states. It includes Governor, Chief Minister, Council of Ministers, State Legislative Assembly, and Legislative Council, where it exists. 3. Local authorities. Local authorities are bodies created for local self-government. Examples include municipalities, panchayats, district boards, case law, Mohammed, Yasinvi, town area committee. Facts. A town area committee imposed tax on vegetable vendors. Held. The Supreme Court held that the town area committee is a local authority and therefore a state. Under Article 12. Principle. Local bodies performing governmental functions fall within Article 12. Other authorities. This is the widest category under Article 12. It includes statutory bodies, corporations, government companies, and agencies controlled by the government. Courts determine whether a body is state. Tests to determine other authorities. The Supreme Court developed certain tests. Government ownership, deep and pervasive state control, financial assistance from the government, public functions performed, monopoly status given by the government. If these factors exist, the body may be treated as state under Article 12. Judicial interpretation and tests. The Supreme Court has developed certain tests to determine whether a body is state. Government ownership of the body, financial assistance from the government, deep and pervasive government control, public or governmental functions performed, monopoly status granted by the state. If these factors are present, the body may be considered state under Article 12. Important case laws. Rajasthan Electricity Board v. Mohan Lal. Facts. Employees of the Rajasthan Electricity Board alleged violation of fundamental rights. Held. The court held that the Electricity Board is state under Article 12. Principle. Statutory bodies created by law fall within other authorities. Sukhdev Singh v. Bhagat Ram. Facts. Employees of ONGC, LIC, and IFC challenged service conditions. Held. The court held that statutory corporations are state. Principle. Corporations created by statute and controlled by government fall within Article 12. Ajay Hansia v. Khalid Mujib Seherawadi. Facts. Admission process of a government-controlled engineering college run by a society was challenged. Held. The Supreme Court held that the society was state under Article 12. Principle. Even a registered society may be state if government control is deep and pervasive. Pradeep Kumar Bishwas v. Indian Institute of Chemical Biology. Facts. Question arose whether CSIR was state. Held. The Supreme Court ruled that CSIR is state under Article 12. Principle. If the government has dominant financial and administrative control, the body is state. Importance of Article 12. Identifies authorities against whom fundamental rights can be enforced. Ensures accountability of government bodies. Expands the protection of citizens against misuse of power. Article 12 defines the term state for the purpose of enforcing fundamental rights. It includes the Government and Parliament of India, state governments, local authorities, and other authorities under government control. The judiciary has expanded its scope through various judgments. Bodies that are financially, functionally, and administratively controlled by the government are treated as state. Conclusion. Article 12 plays a crucial role in the protection of fundamental rights by defining the term state. The judiciary has broadened its scope through various judgments to include not only traditional government bodies but also statutory corporations and government-controlled agencies. Thus, Article 12 ensures that authorities exercising public power remain subject to constitutional limitations.